Fine. Let us start solving the problem number 21 here. Right here, we have to find the fraction equivalent to 1.25 is right. 1.25. It's a decimal number. Right. It's a decimal number. We need to find the fraction equivalent. So to do that, what you need to do, you observe the number, given number, and as well as here after decimal point there are two digits. So that's what you can do. You can just divide by 100. See, that is 125 by 100 is what this. Now, so let us simplify it here. Let me start dividing by 25. 25 5s are 125, 4s are 100. Or otherwise you can start dividing by 5 also. Now they have not given here, so we are supposed to, again we need to convert this into mixed fraction. So start dividing this 5, 4, 4 1s are 4 and 1 remainder. You know how to present that, that is Q R D. Right, what is quotient here? Quotient is 1, this is quotient, and this is remainder, and this is divisor. QRD, Q is 1, right, and R is 1 remainder, and as well as divisor is 4. The answer is 1 by 4. The answer here is A, that is 1, first one.